Hello students, welcome back to maths class. Today we will start one new topic. From this topic you are going to get one 7 marks question. Its name is direction cosines and direction ratios. Okay, so what is meant by direction cosines and direction ratios? Very simple. Suppose this ray OA makes an angle alpha with the x-axis, beta with the y-axis and gamma with the z-axis, right? So with this alpha and with y, beta and with z, suppose it is gamma, right? Then we can say cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma are called direction cosines. Cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma are called direction cosines and they are denoted by the letters L, M, N, and there is one relationship between them, L, M, N, that is L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1 is the relationship between L, M, N. Okay, so if any ray OA makes an angle, right, alpha, beta, gamma with the x-axis, y-axis, z-axis, right, then cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma are called the direction cosines of that ray, that line OA, and they are denoted by LMN, and there is a relationship between LMN, that is L square plus M square plus N square is equal to 1. Okay, now we will solve one 7 marks problem based on this direction cosines. So find the direction cosines of the two lines, right, which are connected by relations L plus M plus N is equal to 0 and Mn minus 2NL minus 2Lm is equal to 0. So come on, first you take the equation, right? The given equations are little bit lengthy but easy only. So come on, given equations are, what are the given equations to you? First one is L plus M plus N is equal to 0. This is your first equation. And second equation is Mn minus 2NL minus 2Lm is equal to 0. This is your second equation. Okay, so whenever we are having two equations, by solving this we have to get our direction cosines. So from 1, what happens? You take any one value, that means L is equal to minus M minus N, or you can write minus of M plus N. You consider this as equation A. Okay, so now substitute, right, this value, L value in second equation. What happens to your second equation? It is Mn minus 2n L. What is L? Minus of M plus N minus 2m into again L. What is L? Minus of M plus N is equal to 0. So minus of minus plus, here also minus of minus plus, so it is Mn plus 2n into M plus N, here also 2m into M plus N is equal to 0. Come on, now we can take this as Mn plus 2nm plus 2n square, and here also we can write 2m square 2mn is equal to 0. Writing in the order 2m square plus mn plus 2nm and 2mn, that is 5 times of mn plus 2n square is equal to 0. Okay, so now try to get the factors for this. How we will get the factors? We will multiply 2 2s are 4. So we have to select two numbers, right? Their product should be 4, right? And we have to take their sum should be 5. So how we will take this product should be 5 and this value should be plus 5, right? So 4 ones are 4 we can take. Their product is 4 and their sum is 5. So come on, how we can write this one? This is 2m square plus 5mn can be written as 4mn plus mn plus 2n square is equal to 0. So from this we can take 2m outside, m plus 2n, and from this we can take n outside, so you will have m plus 2n is equal to 0. m plus 2n can be taken common. You take m plus 2n outside, then leftover value is 2m plus n is equal to 0. So we can get two equations now. What are those? m plus 2n is equal to 0 and 2m plus n is equal to 0. So with this you can take m is equal to minus 2n, and with this we can take n is equal to minus 2m. Okay, so now m is equal to minus 2n can be written as m by minus 2 is equal to n by 1. Send this minus 2 this side, right? It will be n by 1. Okay, so now you give this as your equation number, this one as your already a over, you give this as your b and this as your equation c. Okay, so now substitute your m value in a. What happens? If you substitute your m value in a, L is equal to, what is that? Minus m minus n, minus m minus n. We are substituting m value. M is minus 2n, so minus of minus 2n minus n. So L is equal to minus of minus 2n plus 2n minus n is equal to n. So you are having L by 1 is equal to n by 1. Okay, so now observe this one and this one. N by 1 is m by minus 2. L, m, n are in order. So you take L by 1 is equal to m by minus 2 is equal to n by 1. Okay, similarly from this also you can write this as n by minus 2 is equal to m by 1. Okay, so now substitute n value. Here we got n in which equation? Equation A. So what is your equation A? L is equal to, okay, minus m minus n. So minus m and your n is minus 2m. So minus 2m. So L is equal to minus m plus 2m is equal to m. So we can write this as L by 1 is equal to m by 1. Now observe this one. N by minus 2 is equal to m by 1. Here also m by 1. So write in the order. L by 1 is equal to m by 1 is equal to n by minus 2. Okay, so now with this again if you take two parts, okay, so we can write this as L by 1 is equal to m by minus 2 is equal to n by 1 is equal to root of L square plus m square plus n square by root of 1 square plus minus 2 square plus 1 square. So it is L by 1 is equal to m by minus 2 is equal to n by 1, and already I said to you there is a relationship between L and n. L square plus m square plus n square is equal to 1. Root 1 is 1 by root of, come on, 1 plus 4 plus 1, that is 6. Okay, so once you take L by 1 is equal to this, right, you will get your L value. L by 1 is equal to 1 by root 6. So L is equal to 1 by root 6. Next you equate m by minus 2 is equal to 1 by root 6. So m is equal to minus 2 by root 6. Similarly, n by 1 is equal to 1 by root 6. So we can take n is equal to 1 by root 6. We get one set of element values, right? Similarly, you take second one. What is that? This one. L by 1 is equal to m by 1 is equal to n by minus 2 is equal to root of L square plus m square plus n square by root of 1 square plus 1 square minus 2 square. So L by 1 is equal to m by 1 is equal to n by minus 2. Again same thing, L square plus m square plus n square is 1. Root 1 is 1 only by root 1 plus 1 plus 4, that is 1 by root 6. So L by 1 is equal to 1 by root 6. So L is equal to 1 by root 6. Same thing, m by 1 is equal to 1 by root 6. So m is equal to 1 by root 6. So next, n by minus 2 is equal to 1 by root 6. So n is equal to minus 2 by root 6. Therefore, we got two sets of direction cosines. So first set is L comma m comma n is equal to, what are the values? 1 by root 6 minus 2 by root 6 and 1 by root 6. And another set also, this is, you can consider L1 m1 n1 and L2 m2 n2 is equal to, what is that? It is 1 by root 16, 1 by root 6 and minus 2 by root 6. This is another set of direction cosines or the direction cosines. Okay, question is find the direction cosines between these two equations. So once again, this is new topic for you, direction cosines and direction ratios, 7 marks topic. So if the ray OA, right, if the ray OA makes an angle alpha, beta, gamma with the x axis, y axis and z axis, then cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma are called direction cosines of that line OA. Okay, and they are denoted by LMN values, and there is a relationship between LMN, L square plus m square plus n square is equal to 1 is there. Okay, so next there is one 7 marks question. What is that? Find the direction cosines of the two lines are related by these two equations. So very simple, first you take the first equation and the second equation. From the first equation we got L value, substitute that L value in the second equation. Okay, if we substitute that L value in a second equation, we got one quadratic equation. If it is in quadratic equation, okay, so 2 2s are 4. Okay, so we have to get two factors, their product must be 4 and their sum should be, if we add those two, we have to get 5. So that is nothing but 4 and 1. If we multiply, we will get the product as 4. If we add, 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, so come on, instead of 5mn, we can take 4mn, mn. So 2m square plus 4mn plus mn plus 2n square is equal to 0. So from this you take 2m common, so it is m plus 2n. From this you can take n common, m plus 2n is equal to 0. So with these two we can take m plus 2n common, leftover value is 2m plus n. We got two equations now. So with this equation we got this one, with this equation we got this result. So with that, send this cross multiplication, send this minus to this side, right, this 1 its coefficient to this side, m by minus 2 is equal to n by 1. Same thing, right? Send this minus to this side, n by minus 2 is equal to m by 1. Okay, so substitute your m value in A. We got m is equal to minus 2n, right? In A, if you substitute, right? So then you will get your L value. Okay, once you get L by 1 is equal to n by 1. Okay, so you can equate with m by minus 2. After that, similarly here also substituting n in, from this equation we got n, so substitute n in A. Okay, so then L is equal to, you will get one equation, so L by 1 is equal to m by 1 is equal to n by minus 2. Once we got like that, just you take square root of L square plus m square plus n square. Downwards also square root of 1 square minus 2 square plus 1 square, it is 6. Okay, once you take L term and constant term, you will get L value. Once you take m value, constant term, you will get m value. Once you take n term, constant, you will get your n value. Okay, same thing with that side also. We got two sets of direction cosines, right? One set is 1 by root 6 minus 2 by root 6, 1 by root 6. Another set is 1 by root 6, 1 by root 6 minus 2 by root 6. Okay, very, very important 7 marks question, most repeated 7 marks question. Okay, so practice this problem perfectly. Okay, so that's all for today. Have a nice day.